Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save pie chart from Excel as a PDF. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I already created pie chart. To save as PDF, simply select the first pie chart, just click on the pie chart and make sure is properly selected. Okay. After that, just press the shortcut key Ctrl P and here you can see the print preview is open. Okay. After that, in printer option, click on this drop down arrow and select here Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay. And click on the print and that's it. Here you can see save print output as dialog box is open. Select the destination where you want to save. So I select here the desktop. Enter the file name. So I just enter here pie chart PDF. Okay. And save as type. File type is a default selected PDF documents. Click on the save and that's it. Your PDF is saved. Okay. So I just go to the desktop and here you can see the pie chart PDF. Simply double click on it to open this PDF. And here you can see your pie chart in PDF. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.